so there was a bird flying by. Tried to find that truck over there. Then it hit the car door, and then it just went up there. Yeah, now she's not even flying away. Look at him. Man. You know, you can see it way better if you're in person. But I know none of my neighbors are watching this video. None of my neighbors are. Hey, Birdie. What's up, man? Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? What's up? What a bird. What a bird. Just look at him. Chill, chill, chill. He's a robin. Now, it's nature. Nature, yeah. And also we had birds in that fake nest over there on our door. And that is the exact same kind, because I remember the baby ones. Baby robins, yep. Whoa, is he talking? Yep, he is. Quick, quick, tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet. Hey. It's time for tweet, tweet time. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet. Man. Tweet. Okay, okay. Now this bird is crazy. It's been a nature bird day today. So much nature. And I'm all over YouTube. I'm on this channel. And my own channel. And my last channel. And my channel before that. And my channel before that. It's been a crazy bird day.